The Actuality presents 7 amazing myths you have always believed as facts. Using an alarm clock is the best way to wake up early in the morning, although this has been practiced since ages. It has been proved this is not the best way to wake up early. Studies show that waking up suddenly is really bad for your health. One should make the habit of waking up to very soothing sounds. Our elders, especially our moms, pester us to keep our surroundings very clean. More so, our homes. They always ask us to keep our surroundings pristine. But keeping our homes very clean at all times has a downside. When our surroundings are too clean, our bodies gradually lose the ability to fight bacteria and virus. At last, it leads to allergies and other diseases. Fish are really quiet creatures and do not make any sounds. You will be surprised to know that amount of noise fish usually make. They are as noisy as animals in a very big farm. Since they are underwater, we always assume they are mute. This myth arises from watching movies. When there is lava anywhere in a film, the person who falls in quickly drowns into it and dies. In reality, various tests and experiments proved that volcanic lava is really dense. A human being, in scientific terms, are too buoyant to sink into them. This myth again arises from movies. If there is a small hole in an aeroplane, everything on airplane will be sucked out through it. Actually, there is a lot of science involved in it. After a hole is poked in the body of an aeroplane, initially the lighter items like papers and other items will be sucked out through it. Within a few seconds, the air pressure between the cabin and the outer atmosphere will be stabilized. The only downside will be the tremendous noise due to the velocity of the flight. Generally, we are advised not to eat foods which have been microwaved. This is because of a belief that the heat and the radiation in a microwave is not very healthy as it destroys all the healthy elements in our food. A microwave produces heat only very minuscule quantities. Since the heat is being produced in a closed box-like atmosphere, the intensity of heat increases. Hence, this heat does not have the caliber to destroy any kind of healthy elements in our food. If there is a ramp-like structure on the road, or if the road is bent like a hill, a car will be taken off from the ramp and fly at least a dozen feet into the air. This is usually seen in the movies. Suspension mounting will certainly be damaged after such a leap, or the car may even turn over. So, the next time you want to try this, consider the fact that you live in the actual world and not a film. And that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment in the comment section below. See you guys next Sunday with another wonderful video. Until then, I say goodbye with the hope that we would meet again next Sunday. Thank you for your time.